How to convert any coin in USDT in MEXC mobile banking application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to convert any coin to USDT using the MEXC Global, here are the steps to do so. Launch the application and log in into your account. Next step is to search for the coin. For this, tap on the search bar which is on the top of the screen. Then after, type in the coin name that you want to convert. After that, look for the USDT trading pair such as BTC/USDT in this example. You will now be redirected to spot trading page from where you'll have to tap on the sell button. This option is for converting your coin into USDT. Next step is entering the amount of coin that you want to sell and confirming the order. In return, you will receive the equivalent amount of USDT in your account. In order to ensure it, go to your assets or wallet to ensure that USDT has been credited. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.